Well, it's time for dessert. It's time for chocolatey dessert at the Pesach Gourmet. We always serve chocolatey dessert at the lobby at Suffolk Y for our Passover Gourmet. But of course, you're at the Slavin's household this year. You're welcome to taste and practice chocolate melting right here. I took a double boiler, which means I have a hot pan with water where I melted chocolate in with unsweetened margarine. I'm making it pour. So we have chocolate, Passover chocolate, and we have some margarine. I'm going to take the mixture right in front of us. It's semi-sweet, so I don't have to add any more sugar. I'm adding a cup of all kinds of mixed nuts, almonds, walnuts, pecans. Going to mix it into my chocolate and margarine. I'm going to moisten it with a quarter cup of dark coffee. It's getting to look yummy. People use biscotti, but this is Pesach time and special time, so I don't have biscotti. But I love to put some chopped raisins, raisinets, white raisins, cranberries into the mixture. So we have here 18 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, 3/4 of a stick of unsalted margarine. We have nuts and dry fruits. And I would like to add some liqueur. This is our favorite Israeli liqueur. At this time, we say sabra. Do you know what a sabra is? Sabra is a true Israeli, a native born, and it's named after the sabras that have grown all over Israel, those prickly pears. So I'm going to add the sabra. The minute you add the sabra, this soft mixture hardens, because when you add alcohol into the chocolate mixture, it stiffens up. So here's the experiment. I'm going to take my sabra, I would say about 3 tablespoons, mix it in, and it smells really good. I'm going to take my mixture and refrigerate it for a little while, maybe 20 minutes, and come back and show you how I create the salami, the famous chocolate salami. As I mix it, the alcohol makes it stiffer and stiffer and stiffer, and I'm getting it into the fridge right now. To hasten the process of the cooling of the chocolate, I decided to place it in the freezer. It'll get cooler faster and harden faster. So there it is. This is how it hardens up. I'm going to take a bunch of chocolate. I'm making 2 logs, so I divide quantities to 2. I have saran wrap on the counter. I'm rolling it real tightly, trying to get the air pockets out, knotting the sides just like a salami with a casing, rolling it tightly, neatly and evenly. And there is our one log. I'm going to continue with the process. Place it in the freezer again for overnight, and then tomorrow I will show you how to serve it. You're going to serve it sliced with powdered sugar, and it will be a lovely dessert. A little dessert after the Seder when you really don't want to eat that much more. I had put my chocolate salamis in the freezer overnight to harden. Since we had alcohol in it, it's not frozen, because you know when you put something with alcohol in the freezer, it actually doesn't freeze. So it's kind of nice and moist. I'm going to unravel one of them. I prepared my pretty Israeli plate to put my dessert on. Of course, you can put biscotti, you can put in vanilla, you can put in all kinds of other flavoring. Orange rind is really nice and tasty. So here we are. I'm going to, before I cut it, I'm going to roll it in some confectioned sugar. Give it that smoky look. Brush off any excess. There we go, in slicing. Get yourself a nice sharp knife. You can slice them approximately half an inch thick. Remember, you have nuts in there. If you don't want to have nuts in your baked goods because of the children or any other allergies, just add biscotti, or actually Passover macaroons, dry fruits. I'm going to place it on my pretty dish. There we are. Yummy. Your guest, or your family actually, since we don't really have guests, said, Mom, this looks yummy and delicious. And guess what? It is actually very delicious. So, let me take it over and share it with the family. Here we are at the Slavin's kitchen with our chocolate salami dessert. I'm going to get closer and closer and closer to my chocolate dessert. Happy Pesach, everyone. Stay healthy.